Well, we're out here crimping the beans. We got some beautiful beans. We got some beautiful mustard cover crop, some flax, and we got some weeds. Some of them are in between the row, twin row, so we can crimp them. But yeah, if we can give these a little bit more space to breathe, that would be ideal. But we're definitely nicking a few, but I think they'll bounce back just fine. Yeah, giving stuff a wallop. So, some areas it's like, wow, this is gonna be awesome. Some areas like, oop. Yeah. And that's no good. Yeah. Get onto a row. But for the most part, we're doing okay. And yeah, there's some flax. Just excited to see what happens. And they got all August and most of September probably, depending on the weather. So, man, don't like when I snap those off. But what we don't smash, we are feeding delicious cover crop to. It's very low carbon to nitrogen ratio, and stuff's gonna pop back. Some stuff's gonna probably die. So there you go. On the verge of not being able to do this with too big of beans. But mustard's just starting to flower. It's a lot further behind the soybeans than last year. I suppose I planted the mustard V2. See, it's like I don't see any crimps on some of these laid over plants. Should be fine. That's kind of weird. But yeah, some of the ones you think you hit, you don't. But there's a couple that are smashed. So yeah, it's really weed zapper would be ideal, but I don't know. I wonder if one of those the rolling tires above the ground, that would, if you grab them, they just snap off, which wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. But yeah, now I think about it, that would uproot approximately none of those. So we'll see. Some of them are in row. We can crunch them. And but it's really not like a catastrophic amount of weeds. I mean, kind of looks like it on video. Swear to God, it's less weedy in person. I don't know. It's like they're just smattered in everywhere. Should have cultivated this whole field before interseeding it, but with a tine weeder, I rotary hoed, and that loosened up the soil. I mean, of course, it was after a big rain that packed down and saturated it. Rotary hoed, it's nice to loosen the soil, get some air in, and then I tine weeded, but should have cultivated the whole thing. Cultivated part. Those parts look the best. Yeah. If you just see a few weeds and spend, a wet one after, tine weeding and whatnot, that means he's probably got a lot more friends just under the soil that you covered up that are maybe going to survive or whatever, or just about to germinate. Maybe if I tine weeded a second time, but, just got to err on the side of more thrashing. You start getting worried about your soybean stand, and you look at ripping up some of them when they're small. They really fill in pretty good. But yeah, just gotta plant pretty high populations and do some thrashing, and then interseed it. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see if can't get this field a little cleaner. Who knows? That's not going to clean up, but look all this in between. All right.